G'day guys, Greg here. Now, here I am in beautiful Tingalpa in Brisbane. And today I've decided to go to a place called Three Black Bears Pizza. Now, I was driving through Fairfield, I saw one. I was driving through Chermside, I saw one. So they got one at Tingalpa here, so it's a small up-and-coming pizza chain. So how about we go and grab one of their pizzas and see what it's like? Let's get it. Alrighty, well, here we go. The Three Black Bears Pizza. All their pizzas are $12.90. I decided to get the meat lovers today. Let's suss it out. Da, 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 da. Oh, that looks alright. So the meat lovers is barbecue sauce, ham, cheese, pepperoni and bacon. I noticed that they had a mega meat. I don't know why I didn't get that one. Spewing. But it looks alright, and wow, this crust is looking really nice. Now apparently all their pizzas are 12 inches as well. I know 12 inches very well. But it's got a bit of an unusual smell about it, like it's been burnt or something, but I mean, I can't see any burning on here, and underneath is looking pretty good. Can't wait to try their crust. Let's go that first. Ooh. Really nice. Super crispy, super light, and it tastes like the way the Pizza Hut and Domino's crust used to taste before they started not tasting any good. But yeah, so far the crust, top shelf. All right, let me get a nice fresh piece and we'll try these toppings. Oh yeah. I'm liking that. The barbecue sauce is pretty nice, and well, there's plenty of meat on there. And well, just look how much cheese is on there too. This pizza has actually got cheese on it. I know, amazing, right? So often that you get these pizzas and they got hardly any cheese, but the toppings on this, I mean, I can't fault it. I'm just really disappointed I didn't get one of the other pizzas now. But I tell you what, this meat lovers is really doing the job, and so far, so good. And it's only been one bite in. Let's try bite number 2. Oh yeah. This is definitely one of the better pizzas I've had in a long time. Wow. Can't believe it. There's finally a pizza joint that tastes half decent. Amazing. I never thought I'd see the day. Although in saying that, pizza capers taste really nice, but the prices of their pizzas are like astronomical. This is actually affordable, this pizza, and the toppings on it taste really nice. Wow. I just want to keep smashing this thing. Amazing. There's definitely a greasiness and oiliness that's going all over my lips. And I'll tell you what, after a big night, this is probably exactly what you want and need. Now, after just praising this pizza, I mean, it does have its faults. I'm still trying to figure out what those faults are, but I'm sure it still does have them. There is, I don't know, maybe the sauce is a bit weird tasting. I don't know, it actually tastes good. There is a nice warmth in my mouth. I think maybe the pepperoni on this has got a nice heat to it, and it's warming me up nicely. I don't know, I'm still trying to fault it, so I wonder what score I'll give it out of 10. Well, value-wise, website says $11.90. This shop here was $12.90, but still, $13. You're getting a pretty good-sized pizza here, and it is going to fill you up. Flavor-wise, the sauce on it was nice. The pizza toppings were all there, and there was plenty of them. There was even cheese on this pizza, which is absolutely amazing. So sick of ordering pizzas, and they don't even put cheese on them. Oh, God, it's one of the things that really frustrates me. And I'm very easily frustratable. Taste-wise, it was a really nice tasting Meat Lovers pizza too. All the toppings were good, and well, I mean, could they have put something else on it? Probably. Probably could have added stuff on. I think if you do add it, they charge you for it. But still, this is a really good tasting pizza. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score, 3 Black Bears Meat Lovers pizza. It's getting a... I wonder what it will get. A 9.4 out of 10. The crust on this pizza tastes really good. It's just the way I really like it. There's plenty of toppings that taste really nice as well. I think the only thing letting this pizza down is maybe there's a bit of a funny taste. It could be in the sauce, it could be in the pepperoni, but it's negligible, so it's not really worth worrying about. But I can't give them a too good score too early, mate. Don't want their heads to swell. Is there room for improvement? I don't know, I doubt it. It is a budget pizza, remember. It's not one of those top quality joints that are really awesome and very expensive. It's a budget pizza that tastes really good. It's a good size, and I reckon if you go there, you're going to enjoy it. And if you do go there, the one in Tingalpa at least, tell them Greg sent you. They'll probably take a photo of you and stick it on the wall and say, "Do not serve this person." No, they won't. They'll be jumping for joy, I'm sure. Anyway, there you go, 3 Black Bears. I've been waiting a long time to try these guys. Finally, the shop's open. Normally it doesn't open till 4, but during the weekends it sort of opens a little bit earlier, so that's good. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I eat a pizza. Probably from the Black Bears too. There's plenty more there I need to try. See you there.
Oh yeah, this is